are Benedictus.
I am Bianca.
And I'm Suzume.
Join us as we look back to our apostolate
And services through the years.
Next, benedict+us, classification service, category archdiocese.
As you have seen, Benedictus is an organization that uses God-given gifts shared through social media, through music, through talks, led and guided by the Holy Spirit, with the inspiration from the saints, and as an offering to Jesus through the Immaculate Mother, with the aim to help souls. Benedictus is also an organization under the Commission on the Laity, categorized under service to help other communities. And so, don't forget to share this video to bless others and to let your friends like and follow our FB page, We Are Benedictus, and to subscribe to our YouTube channel, SMP Benedictus, with a link provided on the description box. Stay safe and take care of your soul. Babuch!